Technology is moving faster and faster. We're always in a state of becoming something new. Many companies are seeing the opportunity to leverage technology to connect all of these unconnected things, whether it's a factory floor or a car. They're finding opportunities to take technology into places it's never gone before. But ultimately, all of that stuff bubbles up to an application.
At Cisco, we come at things from the infrastructure up. We've been the network company, the data center company. We needed to be more proactive than we've ever been before. AppDynamics helped us visualize what is going on at the business process level. We've seen a 10x improvement in mean time to detect and mean time to repair, being able to pinpoint where the actual problem is. And this is improvement in productivity, the end user experience, improvement in our application architecture.
We want to deliver an experience to a customer that is driven by the business and the intent of the business. And the more that you can automate the decisions of your infrastructure and technology to help you do that, the faster you'll be able to react to your customers. You cannot do that without visibility at the application layer.
We were one of the largest customers of AppDynamics. We understood the value and the benefits that it could bring not only to our customers, but to Cisco's overall portfolio.
Our vision is to deliver the self-driving enterprise, the IT infrastructure that requires zero hands-on. In order to keep moving up that automation path, you need to have more and more visibility, more data. AppDynamics was a really big leap for Cisco because it brings data at the application layer that is at a scale and scope which is unprecedented, frankly, in the industry.
I think the role of IT is more impactful now than it's ever been. Our vision is to drive a secure digital business, not a secure digital technology. IT is at the center of that transformation.
Maybe nothing is as important as the role that IT plays now for business success in the future. The expectations on technology and how it's going to transform the world and how it's going to transform every business, AppDynamics is that key sort of magic that gives us tremendous amount of visibility into where we need to go and how to get there.